Hello, Toastmasters. I want to give you a quick rundown on how to register for the Toastmasters Leadership Institute. First, you must have a Zoom account, either free or paid. If you already have a Zoom account, log into that. If you do not have a Zoom account, then when you click register, it will take you to a Zoom sign-up page. Zoom will ask you for your year of birth, then your email address to send you a verification code. This verification helps protect us from disruptive Zoom bombers. Once you have your Zoom account and are logged into it, open the District 7 homepage and click on Register in the banner. On this screen, you can view session and speaker details or click Register to complete the registration process. The registration has a few questions: your name, club officer roles. If your club is outside of District 7, we need you to enter the contact information for who should be informed of your training attendance. After registration, you will receive a ticket which gives you access to the event lobby. The lobby is where you will find all the details about the various training sessions. Click on the Sessions tab to view the full list of sessions. You may choose to use a filter to view the sessions in the track for your club office. On each session that you plan to attend, at the bottom, click the bookmark to mark that session. After you have selected sessions, you can at any time return to the lobby, select the Itinerary tab, and view your individual schedule. If you want, you can export your itinerary to an ICS file, which you can import into your personal calendar, complete with links to the sessions you plan to attend. Everyone should plan to attend the opening and closing sessions each day for important information. To receive credit for officer training, at least one of the training or elective sessions that you attend must be on the track for your officer role. You are free to attend any of the other sessions regardless of what track they are on. See you at TLI and enjoy!